Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In today's video we are going to learn how to clean up blocks in Scratch. So if you have some kind of situation like this where you have lots of different blocks on the stage, on the screen, and it becomes messy, you don't see very precise what do you need and what you don't need anymore, so it's all scattered around. All you have to do is right click, pick clean up blocks from the drop down menu as option, and it will rearrange your blocks in some kind of order, some kind of more precise manner where they will be one below another. So that's it in theory. Let's see that in practice. So I have a couple of those blocks. I have picked these which are oval, circular, egg-like shape, different colors and sizes, but it should work with all other blocks too, so it doesn't matter how many of those you have, and they, as you can see, they are all around my stage where I work, my coding windows. So if you are working on a very complex project or for a longer time, you will have lots of those, lots of blocks, and sometimes you will use them just to test them, sometimes you will need them for the final game, for the final application, and after you finish your work you have to make things more tidy. This looks like some kind of desk, office desk or working desk where you work, learn, like your pencils, your books, your erasers, paper, stuff like that. And when you work, it's all cool to be messy, but when you finish it, you have to make things a little bit more precise and during the work, not only when you finish it. So all you have to do is click anywhere in this white area, so not on the block but here on white area, and click on clean up blocks, and as you can see they are now one below others, so they are all like in some kind of order. I can undo that. We have learned that in previous videos, to have this once more, to show it once more. So okay, we have lots of stuff, and I think even you can overlap some of those. Let me see if this will work now. Yeah, something like this. So now I will try to clean up blocks, and yeah, same. That's it for this video. Again, you don't have to use most of those features or commands and even blocks, but if you like to work more precise, more clean, if your workflow is like that, you will probably need this and use it from time to time. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.